Hello, and thanks for joining. This is Britt, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a Kahoot. So, as you know, this is something that I use with all of you in our trainings, but the great thing about Kahoot is this is a way that you can stay engaged with your clients as well. So one thing we've been talking a lot about recently is how to build a successful media plan with your clients. You could actually use Kahoot to create an engaging media plan that will prompt engagement with various questions that you can ask them. There's polls in Kahoot. There's all kinds of different features that you can utilize. But today we're just going to create a standard Kahoot. So the way that we'll do that is you'll first go to kahoot.com, you'll sign up for an account, and then you'll click this create button here. We have some different options that pop up. So for this purpose, we'll go ahead and select Kahoot. Okay, so if you have a PDF of questions, it can actually extract those. So that's a really nice feature. Also, if you have slides, so if you already have a media plan and you want to go ahead and create a quiz from those, it will import from your slides. There are some pre-made templates. There's a Kahoot generator, which utilizes AI, or there's just a blank canvas. So let's go ahead and create a Kahoot based on a blank canvas today. Okay, so it starts off with just a standard question. So here is the field you'll type in the question you have. You can insert different media, such as an image or a YouTube video, and then you'll add your answers here. So if you want to add more questions than one, here on the left-hand side, there is an add button. So this is where you can do either different media slides. So this is where you could input your media plan. You can have a title slide, different bullet points. You can create poll slides throughout, do a word cloud, or if you have like questions, you can do the quiz option, which is the option we were just viewing. You can do true-false questions. Really, the possibilities are endless. So let's go ahead and do a second question as a true-false. Okay, so if we want to go back to that first question, you'll just click here. Here on the right-hand side, there are some additional fields. So you can change the question type. This is a time limit for participants, so they'll join from their phone, and each question will be timed. So standard is 20 seconds. You can go all the way up to 4 minutes. You can assign point totals, and then if you want their answers to be single select or multi-select. But let's go ahead and type in a question here. So we'll just say, what is the primary purpose of a media plan? And let's go ahead and add an image. So you'll select this plus icon. As you can see, it already has detected what our subject is. So let's just go ahead and select this media planning image here. And I'm going to go ahead and add 4 different answers. You can remove some of these if you'd like, but there's a minimum of 2. Okay, so for the correct one, I'll go ahead and put this in column B. So the correct answer would be outline how campaign goals will be achieved through strategic ad delivery. And I'll select this bubble here, letting the system know that this is the correct answer. Then we can go ahead and add some fake answers here. So I'll say showcase product features. That is what you do not want to do. Option 3, replace the client brief. And option 4, say analyze past performance only. Okay, so now we have a question. Next, we can go ahead and create a true-false. So you'll go through the same process. So we can go ahead and type out a question. So we can say true, false. The first step in allocating budget in a media plan is defining the campaign objective and KPIs. Again, we can go ahead and insert an image. So I'll just type in media plan in the search bar here. Okay, I'll select this. And the correct answer is true. So we'll just go ahead and select this. And once we have created all the questions, you can add more here or add your slides as we chatted about. But once you're done, you'll go ahead and click Save. So we'll go ahead and give this a title. So Media Plan. You can have a description if you would like here. We'll go ahead and leave that off for now. And you'll click Continue. Okay, so now I have my Kahoot, which is in my library. So if you ever want to access this or edit this, just go back to kahoot.com, go to your library, and here you can go ahead and edit or go ahead and host this live with your participants. So you can select if you want classic mode, presentation mode, or they have some other options here as well. But we'll just do the classic mode and you'll click Start. And then participants can join from their phone and have your quiz. Well, thank you for joining. This was how to create a standard Kahoot that you can utilize with your clients, whether that be for engagement purposes or delivering a media plan. Thank you so much.